guys, welcome back to my channel, Megan Wolf, and here's Ellie again. And we're in Colorado, going on a train. And we're going back, and I got this Minute Maid apple juice. And yeah, I drank a little, but I'm still gonna drink it. See, is it good? It's very good. You have a drink. It's good. My saliva is on it. And I was so hot, so I took off my sweatshirt. This is my sweatshirt, the flowers. So I'm going to show you a little bit around. The train's starting. Still, I'm doing it. So over here.
Yes, we can get you a hat. That's
So yeah, we're outside. If you can see. Oh, we're moving, guys.
Oh, this is
Okay. And then we have all of this amazing view. Sure, I'll eat some. You want some? Okay, I'm gonna eat it. Let's try a Dorito. Have you ever ate Doritos before? I have. And they're really good. One do you like better? These Doritos or on the I don't know, or the Cool Ranch? I like Cool Ranch better. The blue ones, but it's fine. I got sunburn on my cheeks. I got sunburn on my cheek. Look at she got a burn from baking soda. So let's eat it.
yeah, it's like a burn or something.
Oh my god. Sorry about that loud noise. I'm on the train. You can hear now.
That goes behind
So, if you don't know about me, whenever I chew, I don't have dimples. If I do like a good dimple. If I do like a really weird face, I have dimples. See?
I really only have my phone for a second.
So yeah. Okay, we are moving. I am setting you here. Boom. So you're moving. If you can see in the background. Okay. Yeah, that's my mom. I'm gonna show you. That was really cool. So, anybody a fan of Harry Potter? I am. Probably never saw me without my sweatshirt. Good. We are on number 40. Let me show you. On number 40. 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 34. Sorry about that. Hey, it's moving a lot, so I feel that it's gonna fall. Putting you right here. I'm scared that would fall. video with you and me. I want you to get me to 100 subscribers.